Ito na yung ating problem naman. So ito kalimitang problem sa mga exam. Nakita ko rin to sa exam ng LET. Okay. So what is 3/4 of 100 or what is 3/4 of 80? Okay. So paano yan i-multiply? So ganito siya. Okay. So 80, that's whole number multiplied by 3/4. So itong 80 kasi meron siyang automatic na denominator na 1. So therefore magiging 80 all over 1 multiplied by 3/4. So syempre 80 times 3, that's 240. 1 times 4, that is 4. So 240 divided by 4, so that's 60. So therefore 3/4 of 80 is 60. Okay. So naintindihan? Okay, yan. So pwede rin nating i-shortcut. Okay. Yan yung nangyari. So ito kasi kinancel na natin yung ating greatest common factor nitong 80 and 4. So the greatest common factor is 4. Now 80 divided by 4, we have 20. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have here 20 all over 1, then 3 all over 1. So 20 times 3 is 60, then 1 times 1 is 1, then 60 divided by 1, so we have 60. Okay, so that is on how to multiply a whole number and a fraction. Okay, yan. Next, so we have here, what is 2/3 of 120? So ayan. So ito na yung paliwanag. So 120 multiplied by 2/3. So itong ulitin ko, itong 120 ay may automatic na denominator na 1. So naging fraction yung dalawa. So i-multiply natin yung 120 and 2. So that is 240. 1 times 3, that's 3. Now 240 divided by 3, so that is 80. Ngayon kung gusto natin i-shortcut, okay, ito yung shortcut niya. So the greatest common factor of 120 and 3 is syempre 3. Ayan. 120 divided by 3, so we have 40. And then 3 divided by 1, so we have 1. So ito na yung natira. So 40 times 2, ayan. Then 1 times 1, so we have 1. 40 times 2 is 80. So 80 divided by 1 is 80. So ayan. Okay, so naintindihan kung paano mag-multiply ng fractions. Okay, sana naintindihan. Okay, so let us now proceed to division of fractions. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa division of fractions. Okay, so if A all over B and C all over D are rational numbers, then we have here A all over B divided by C all over D. So ano kaya ang rules natin? So una, get the reciprocal of the divisor. Ano kaya yung reciprocal ng divisor? Ito kasi yung ating parts ng ating division process. Itong A all over B, siya yung ating dividend. At yung C all over D, siya yung ating divisor. Eh sabi dito, get the reciprocal. Ano kaya ang reciprocal? Okay. So, ito yung ating dividend. Then, ano kayang mangyari? So, ito naman yung ating divisor. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nabaliktad. Ito kasi C all over D. Naging D all over C. So, yun yung kanyang reciprocal. Okay, naiintindihan. Yung C all over D, so that is our divisor. Sabi niya, get the reciprocal. So, nung nakuha yung reciprocal, naging D all over C. So, ang ibig sabihin, baliktarin lang yung ating fraction. Yung numerator magiging denominator, yung denominator magiging numerator. And then after that, proceed to multiplication. Oh, ayan. So proceed tayo sa multiplication. From division, kunin yung reciprocal ng divisor, baliktarin yung fraction, ay ito na yung magiging itsura. Then after that, proceed to multiplication. Ganyan lang kasimple kung paano mag-divide. Then after that, syempre, gaya ng multiplication, simplify if possible. Okay, so let us have an example. Ayan. 2/4 divided by 1/5. So, alin ba dyan yung ating divisor and dividend? So, ito kasi yung ating dividend, ito yung ating divisor. So, dito sa ating divisor, kunin natin yung reciprocal. So, anong magiging reciprocal nyan? So, that will be 5 all over 1. And then, proceed to multiplication. Ayan, naging multiplication na siya. And then, syempre, babalik tayo sa multiplication to multiply the numerators. Ayan. Then, multiply the denominators. Ayan. Ito na yung result. Multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. So, 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 1 is 4. Then, anong gagawin? Simplify natin. Ayan. So, gawin natin siyang mix. Ayan, so gawin natin siyang mixed fraction. So, 10 divide by 4. So, tingnan natin, isipin natin, 4. Ilang 4 meron yung 10? So, di ba dalawa? So, kapag dalawa ang 4 ng 10, so that's 4, 8. So, ilan ang sobra? Dalawa din. So, therefore, that's 2 and 2 fourths. Itong 2 and 2 fourths, pwede pa yung isimplify, di ba? So, what's the greatest common factor? 2. So, therefore, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, therefore, the final answer is 2 and 1/2. So, that is on how to simplify or divide fraction. Okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede naman natin yung i-shortcut gamit ang cross multiplication. Ayan. 2 fourths divide by 1/5. So, cross multiplication, 2 times 5. So, palagi nating unahin dito. Then dito. Okay. So, 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 1 is 4. So, we have 10 all over 4 or 2 and 2 fourths or 2 and 1/2. So, ganun lang kung paano mag-divide. Okay, next. Ayan. 3 all over 8 divide by 2/5. Ayan. So, syempre, kunin natin ang reciprocal ng ating divisor, which is 2/5. Ayan. So, ayan, maging ganito. 3 all over 8 multiplied by 5 all over 2. So, the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5 all over 2. Then, let us now move to the rules for multiplication. So, 3 times 5 and 8 times 2. So, ayan. So, 3 times 5, syempre, that's 15. Then, 8 times 2, we have 16. Okay, so, kung mapapansin natin, ito na yung final answer. Kasi nga, wala namang greatest common factor ang 15 and 16. Then, hindi naman siya ma-convert into mixed fraction kasi nga, this is a proper fraction. Mas maliit yung ating numerator. And then, using cross multiplication naman, ayan. So, i-multiply muna natin yung 3 and 5. Then, 8, that's 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Then, 8 times 2, so we have, syempre, 16. Okay, so, naintindihan? Then, syempre, yan na yung final answer, 15 and 16. Okay, next, we have 4 all over 5 divided by 7 all over 10. So, kunin natin yung reciprocal ng ating divisor. So, yan ay magiging 4 all over 5 multiplied by 10 all over 7. Ayan. So, yan. So, shortcut natin. So, gamit ang greatest common factor ng 5 at saka 10. So, the greatest common factor is 5. 5 divided by 5. And then, 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, so itong 4 and 7 kasi wala silang greatest common factor. So, as it is, ganyan na. So, yan na yung multiply natin. 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. Ayan. Okay. Then, 4 times 2, syempre 8. Then, 1 times 7, syempre 7. Then, ito, kung mapapansin nyo, wala naman silang greatest common factor, di ba? Pero, ito ay improper fraction. So, therefore, convert natin into mixed fraction. So, ilan ba ang 7 sa 8? 1. Diba? So, ilan ang natira? 1 pa rin. And then, syempre, that is 7 yung kanilang denominator. So, 1 and 1 all over 7. Ayan. Ngayon, sa cross multiplication naman, ayan. Multiply muna natin yung 4 and 10. Palagi itong mauuna. Ayan. So, what is 4 times 10? That's 40. Next, 5 times 7, that is 35. 40 all over 35. Simplify natin. Okay, so ano nga ba ang greatest common factor? Or shortcut na lang. So, ito. Ilan ba ang 35 sa 40? 1. Then, 40 less 35, that's 5. Then, syempre, kunin natin yung denominator, copy, 35. Then, dito, pwede pa siyang i-simplify yung 5 and 35. Ano yung greatest common factor? So, we have 5. So, 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 35 divided by 5, that's 7. So, 1 and 1 all over 7. Okay, so, naintindihan? Diba, madali lang mag-divide gamit ang rules for multiplication of fractions. Yan. So, meron ba tayo? Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mixed fraction. So, siyempre, ang gagawin natin, gawin muna natin itong improper fraction. So, 1 and 2/4. So, magiging 6 all over 4. So, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, we have 6. Then, copy the denominator. Ayan. So 6 all over 4 divided by 4/5. So, ito namang divisor, kunin natin ang kanyang reciprocal. So, ang reciprocal niya, syempre, balik na rin natin, 5/4. Yan. So, naging multiplication na siya. So, 5 all over 4. Okay. So, we have 6 all over 4 times 5 all over 4. So, multiply natin. So, 6 times 5. So, we have 30. Then, 4 times 4, we have 16. So, ayan. So, simplify natin. So, that will be 15 all over 8. Ayan. Kung simplify natin, syempre, ilang 8 ba meron sa 15? Isa. Ito, isa. Then, 15 minus 7. So, we have 7. Then, kopyahin natin yung denominator. Ayan. Then, paano ba i-shortcut yan? So, meron itong greatest common factor, yung 6 and 4. So, what is the greatest common factor? We have 2. Yan. So, 6 divided by 2, that's 3. 6 or 4 divided by 2, so that's 2. So, ito yung mga i-multiply natin. 3 times 5, so we have 15. 4 times 2, we have 8. So, bumalik siya doon. Then, siyempre, 1 and 7 all over 8 is the correct answer. Okay. So, kung naintindihan, sana ay mayroon kayong may susulat sa ating evaluation. So, kung meron kayong naintindihan sa ating lesson ngayon, sana wag nyong kalimutang i-click yung subscribe and i-like nyo na rin itong video. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at sana meron kayong natutunan. Okay, so yun lang. So, magandang oras sa inyong lahat. So, ito nga pala yung ating evaluation. So, kopyahin nyo yan, then answeran nyo at i-comment ko yung mga sagot nyan. Kung papakita nyo yung mga sagot nyo. Okay ba? So, thank you very much.